Hello, listeners. Hi, my name is Madhavi, and I'm so happy to have you on UppTalk. You have come to the right place if you want to learn about IT and do really cool things with your hands. We are not just another IT company when I say UppTalk. Think of us as your learning partner dedicated to helping you reach your full potential. We have top notch hands on courses to help you build your business, whether you are new to technology or want to move up in your current job. Let's look around this as our first step towards learning.
Next, we need to learn about the Automation Studio. Automation Studio. Earlier, we have sent mail, but we have not any proper schedule. Now here in Automation Studio, here is an overview. First is the new automation. If we click the new automation, there is a section called Schedule File Drop Trigger and lots of activities. Before it, we need to learn last one day. I have probably done, but it is a go to here. Here and click Go to Setup. These steps setup. In Setup, go to Administration. Here is a file location. In file locations, you can create a folder, you can create a here. It will be in future used for, or we will store some files here. I have created it, just you create it. Name our external key description location type. Here, lots of things are internal. It is an external FTP file. It is a FTP. It is an external storage file. Which kind of file we are using? Relative location under FTP site. It is a VCAN. It will be again. Our system will be connected with the external FTP server. Do you know FTP server? Have you ever familiar with FTP server? This is a one software called Why it is used? It is used for suppose I am working with a remote server hosting server, but I have some files in my local. Left side, it will show the local server, local and side. The moment it will connect with you. It may be Amazon, it may be Amazon, it may be SFMC server, it may be any other cPanel server. When will be connect? We need to give the host name, username, password, which remote server will be connect. Then left side will be drag and drop side. Left side will be drag and drop and side and then it is called that this. It use a protocol. This protocol is called file transfer protocol like internet. We use the internet. It is a HTTP hypertext transfer protocol, HTTP hypertext transfer protocol. Similarly, file shipped from one server, local server, to real server, hosting server. It is called FP file transfer protocol. This is a file jitter. It is one kind of software. Here we can create a file. We can create the external key description and location of the file, where we will keep that file. This is our steps. Next, again we get Journey Builder Automation Studio. What things happen internally? Just this is the PPT will be clearing. Please confirm this. My desktop screen is visible. This is the actual things happened in Automation Studio. Here if you notice file upload by external system, process to SFMC hence FTP, process to SFMC hence FTP folder. FTP which I have shown you. that is on FTP server. Through outside data will come. Suppose day-to-day data, we are using a customer data extension folder. The customer data extension, what is the customer data extension we are using? We are creating, we will store the data from any Excel sheet to data extension folder. How data will be transferred? Data will be transferred to in SFMC, data will be shifted, but initially data is coming through CSV file. Those file and this data will be through FTP. It will become to file transfer and it will be stored inside a location and it is called safe house. It is called safe house, where generally people will not able to access. From safe house, it will be from safe house. It will be data import file activity. Raise data from safe house file and update SFMC data extension. The file data. This is the cycle will be happened. Here is a term called safe house. What is a safe house? What is a safe house? A safe house is secure location, a secure location for encrypting file and decrypting files. A redirecting location under Marketing Cloud FTP site is subfolder under enhanced FTP file. This is the actual pictorial diagram. Now go to New Automation. Just will be a little familiar and tomorrow we will go for details in depth. It is here schedule section, schedule, high, drop and trigger. Trigger will later that schedule go to schedule, configure schedule. After defining schedule, then saving the automation, it will be processed until you set this schedule to travel to active. The automation can still run manually, clicking run once. It is here, suppose I'm choosing a date. Suppose here, select the time zone. Should be plus 5:30 Indian time. Repeat, it is a hourly, it may be daily, it may be weekdays. It will be weekly, monthly, yearly. It is a sum schedule. It will be end. Suppose now done. It is a schedule. Next schedule need to active and positive. If you click, it's save. This is the it is called scheduled. We can schedule. Next deleting it high drop. File drop. It will schedule a date trick the moment. Suppose I highly connected with data extension. It is the entire email or anything. The moment Suppose every day end of the day business file comes from the automation from Amazon S3 or any location. It is a place the moment it will be notice the place then, and then some automation activity will be happen. This is a file drop. The automation begins when a file drop into this directory. The moment it will be in that directory, then automation will be begin. Select Use File Name Pattern. Use file name pattern if the automation will be triggered by a specific file name. Unique pattern. If it is a file drop section, there is lots of activity. We will be more detailed discussion about the activities: data extraction, data filter, file transfer, import file. Lots of activity, at least few activity. And we have learned SQL because of the we will do this activity. We will be familiar. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@therightuptalk.com.